Hello everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic, and today I'm quickly addressing a common yet concerning issue, the rotten egg smell in vehicles. This odor isn't just unpleasant, it's often indicative of underlying mechanical problems. Let's look into the causes, diagnostics, and solutions for this perplexing issue. Before we begin, if you find this information valuable, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, let's get started. The most common causes of rotten egg smell in cars is a clogged catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is often the primary culprit behind the rotten egg smell. Its function is to convert harmful emissions into less harmful ones. However, when it fails, it can't properly process the sulfur in fuel, leading to that distinctive sulfuric odor. In my years as a mechanic, I've encountered numerous cases where a failing catalytic converter was the root cause. It's crucial to address this promptly, as it can lead to decreased engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, potential engine damage if left unchecked. If you notice this smell, particularly during acceleration, it's imperative to address it. I know catalytic converters can be costly to replace. That's why I personally recommend first trying out a quality catalytic converter cleaner and see if this solves the problem. 2. Damaged battery. Interestingly, the battery can also be a source of this unpleasant odor. Car batteries contain sulfuric acid, and when they fail or overheat, they can release hydrogen sulfide gas, which smells remarkably similar to rotten eggs. I once had a client who was convinced her catalytic converter was failing. Upon inspection, it turned out to be a failing battery. This is more common in older batteries or in extreme weather conditions. If you notice the smell immediately after starting your vehicle or while idling, consider having your battery checked. 3. Low-quality fuel. The quality of fuel can significantly impact your vehicle's performance and odor. Low-quality fuel or fuel with high sulfur content can cause a rotten egg smell. It's akin to putting subpar ingredients into a finely tuned machine. Eventually, problems will arise. In some cases, simply switching to a higher-grade fuel or using a fuel additive can resolve the issue. While this isn't always the solution, it's a cost-effective first step before considering more extensive repairs. To accurately identify the source of the smell, follow these steps. 1. Pay attention to when and where the smell is strongest. During acceleration? At startup? This can help pinpoint the likely culprit. 2. Examine the battery for signs of corrosion or leakage. Check the exhaust system for visible damage or rust. 3. Utilize an OBD2 scanner to check for catalytic converter-related codes. A multimeter can help assess battery health. 4. If you're unable to diagnose the issue, seek professional help. Some problems require specialized equipment for accurate diagnosis. So, there you have it, folks. The 3 most common causes of rotten egg smell in your car. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.